want your photo to pop with more vibrant colors? Here's how to enhance your photo's color in Befunky. First, open your image in Befunky. From the left toolbar, select the color tool. This will allow you to adjust the vibrancy and saturation of your image. Slide the saturation slider to increase or decrease the intensity of the colors. You can also use the vibrance tool to subtly enhance colors in specific areas of the image, especially in shadows and highlights. Once you are happy with how your photo looks, hit apply. If you want to create a more muted look, reduce the saturation or use the wand tool for warmer or cooler tones. Do you love bold, colorful images or do you prefer more neutral ones? Let me know your style in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.